guys, update. I'm so ready. Pero wala pang ready na iba. I am so ready, but they're still on their pajamas. Like, what the heck? This is the fit. The other one's fit.
I'm prettier.
Ayan na si Mommy nakapantulog. Si Tandang Herbert. Nakaraos din sa pag-aantay.
Okay.
I'm done waiting for these guys. We're currently in our Grab on our way to
Union Mall.
Union Mall. We're gonna do some shopping, courtesy of the parentals.
Mas konti daw ang tao dito kaysa sa Platinum. Dito siya nag-shopping. So, ano gagawin? So, hi Marvin, sama ko. Sama ko. Mas makakapili ka daw kasi hindi crowded, hindi daw hindi ka magmamadali, maluwag. Tapos ano daw, mas maganda daw yung mga
sige na, sa'yo na
clothes dito. So ganito na nga guys. Sabi ni Marvin sama ako, mas maganda daw dito sa Union Mall. So kaya nandito kami sa Union Mall today para mag-shopping. Okay, guys.
Dapat ganito sa green.
Saan? Ah, sige, later. Hawag mo yun. Ano ba ito? 360 kit sana. Hindi nakalagay yun. Ganun talaga daw.
Hi guys, it's your favorite vlogger here.
Ano yan, Tidar? Ano?
Bakit meron siya dito?
Wala na kay Gian Bangkok.
Sige.
So, apat.
Ito naman yun. Ayaw yan na lang.
We bought 8 shirts and 4 sandos. 4 sandos.
Ay!
Ikasya sa'yo.
Ayaw niya to maiksi. Sa'yo lang yan.
Maliit si Mama, di mahaba sa kanya yan. Maiksi dito.
Hindi ba nakakataba? O yung sa alamin nila yun?
Ay, hindi pwedeng
Alamin
ito
lang
kay
yan.
Mama.
O mataba na talaga ako. All of the above.
Pwede nga yan kay Mama.
Thank you!
Dar, tingnan mo siya na ito kay Jessica. Which one? Ito ano? Oo. Anong color ko niya? O, ito na.
Excuse me.
Paano nilagyan yun? Lab, bayad na lab.
Okay din yan. Feeling ko mas malaki pa dyan.
Nagbayad na si Daddy.
Ah.
Lab.
Daddy nagbayad.
Lab.
Kita nagbayad natin busy.
Lab, may babayaran dito, Lab.
Sabihin mo sa akin. Hawakan nyo nga muna, may busy ako. Hawakan nyo muna.
Itakbo na.
Puno na, wala pa yan. Parang 10% pa lang yan.
Kaya wala pong 1 hour.
Oh.
Dar, yan o ito? Ito.
Maganda rin yan. Pero baka ang tela ba okay naman.
Ayoko na kayo magulo. Check this too.
Ayun nga ang gulo.
No,
Parehas
this
na
one, too white.
White?
Okay guys, so we've taken over the store. What do you want? No discount. No discount.
Dar, parang maganda rin yan. Oh.
Ito?
Oh.
Sa akin?
Pag sexy ka lang talaga. Pag
naman siya,
Baka yan sa akin. Ano kala mo sa akin, ha?
Walang rin sila siguro ng same price ng
Thank you, Kitty.
Ayaw. Dito.
Okay.
Saka dito yun.
Okay, this one I take white and red. Okay.
I take.
Thank you, Kitty.
May ganun nga.
Kitty. Number anime na yan, alam.
Number anime.
Show them, you flap your ears.
New
Flap
stock,
your
sabi
ears.
mo, love. You have new stock.
How much is this?
690 daw. Pinakita na. Hi, Mother. I love it. Mother. Mother. Mommy, I want.
We really buy one box of this.
Ano ito? Ano ito? Mas maliit.
Mommy, I want cute. Can I get one?
Wala.
Saan? Ay,
I-card ko na lang.
walang gnome.
So ano Ate Dar, bibili ba? Hello, labubo yan, o iba?
Hindi, iba.
Powerpuff!
Oh, may Hello Kitty, oh. Oh, Hello Kitty, oh.
Five, mas mura.
Ano yun, Mami? Labubo? O iba?
Tsunami.
Hindi mo pala napansin?
Ito yung inaano mo kanina.
Ito, tsaka yan. Sabi
Hindi
ko
ko na din.
pati yun nga, oh. Ito, tingnan mo. Mami, parang Nomi din, no?
Parang sabayan din.
Ito siya,
Yes, yes, yes.
ito yung black.
Gusto-
Magka-unboxing tayo. Oh my God.
Ito rin maganda, oh, may ano.
Ayoko na magat na sa bag. Yung product pala dito yung bina-vlog mo kasi hindi ko tayo sa...
Nag-tour na nga ako dito.
Talaga?
I want this. One of this. And then one of this. And then one of this.
Hala. For the OA.
Okay.
Tapos, bilhan ko lang ng ganito. Kasi display ko lang sa bahay. Mommy, bili ako nito tig-isa. Tapos bilang ko lang yan. I-display ko lang sa house. Ika-card ko to. Card ko to. Ito pag siya dapat bilhin. Pag tayo may gusto, tama na, oy.
Kaya nga, nag-isang box na nga, oh.
Kaya nga. Ako gusto ko to. Tingnan mo, ang cookie to.
Gusto ko kasi talaga to si Nomi.
Ito, kukunin ko to.
Ate Dara, ito kukunin mo ito.
Mason Rio din. Ay, you get Powerpuff. Let's show Powerpuff Girls.
Gusto ko si Nomi eh. Ano ba? Magpa-box tayo. Lahat na lang pinoproblema natin. Lagi tayo hindi namimili dahil
Nag-aaway sila.
Nag-aaway na.
They're fighting. Hala, cute din ito, oh.
Girl, cute din mo malaking ulo.
I think I'll get all three. Okay, take it, Ate Cole.
Parang ulo ni Bren.
Ay, oo nga.
Like this one, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Scam kasi tingnan mo yung isa, oh, walang rubber. Walang rubber kaya dumudulan.
Kailangan mo, walang rabbit.
Yeah, pinghelo, pwede.
Yan. Ano, wala? Okay. Ang pangit naman yan. Yan, straight. Yun, ang galing.
Enough na. Ako na sa background music.
Nomi Hall. Nomi Labubu Elina Hall.
Mami ka, hindi mo na.
Tcharan!
But,
Tcharan!
Okay, let's go.
okay, kain muna.
Agyala.
Huwag, mapupulit yan. Mapupulit yan.
Okay guys, update. We bought 2 sets of Nomi. Yeah. One here. And then I also got... What else did I get? Oh, it's here.
This one's yours.
Another set of Nomi. Yeah. They have a lot of designs that are actually better than Labubu, Nomi, and Dila. So I got those. The other cute ones. I think the name is Kimon. Kimon. We're still here at Union Mall. And then Bren wants to go to anime stores. And Miguel, they want to buy figurines and manga. Ta-da! I already told them na. It's pasalubongs. And for me as well. Yes.
What about me, Abigail?
You have, di ba mommy bought you one?
Oh, yeah. Ate.
So mommy got Bren
Oh.
uh,
Oh.
something that looks like Labubu, but it's a coin purse as well.
Mm-hmm.
So
It has no body.
So it's, yeah, it has no body. It's just a head.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Ay, oo nga.
Manga. This is such a manga. I love these. And then there's some merchandise and more manga. And more manga. Oh my gosh, this is like a bookstore or something like that. We're gonna pick our mangas and the stuff that we want. So, toodaloo. We ended up not buying anything because all the mangas were in Thai and there were no merchandise that we liked. Turns out the merchandise from earlier weren't anime. They were a game. So the store was mostly full of books and stationery, but now we're gonna go get some food and we're gonna eat. Ate! Hey guys, we're on our way to the food court. And we're in the elevator. McDonald's here. Look at that. So yummy.
Ice cream good. Si Kuya Miguel kasi hila lang. Totoo.
Hey guys. So we're trying to choose where to eat, but the family is still having problems and
There's so many
shouting.
options because I want Thai, but my brothers want Japanese food, and here it seems like everything is Japanese food. But we're in
Oh, there's a Thai.
Thailand. So I want Thai.
Oh, is that not Thai?
Yayoi, that's Japanese as well.
Yayoi? Oh. So the family is causing problems because we're the Kagulo family. And
Ako gusto ko din.
Hi guys, so we finally decided on a restaurant. It is Yayoi.
There's
What's the name?
Yayoi as well in Sydney, and I like it so much. But there, it's not very, but it's kind of expensive. Here, it's very affordable.
244, 204. Parentals, siblings,
Ben, para bang aglaw ba?
ate.
Hello?
Yeah, I know.
Wala, you miss it na. Cry, girl. Tama.
Kaya may PW.
Wow, parang I want this. Wow.
Dar, mamaya na nga, diba? Sabi sabay-sabay kakain. Isa ka pa, sabay-sabay kakain. Sabay-sabay kakain.
Masarap ang soup.
Oy, bakit ba?
For crying out loud. Nakikita si Kuya Hubert sa
Hayaan mo na. Kasi...
Wala swimming pool. Gawin mo na yung pork ng ano.
Ito, kasi yung...
I think the order for mommy.
Gary, gusto mo tempura?
Wag na, wag na.
Breakfast tayo ng late, tapos wala na tayong kainin kasi magpo-cruise tayo. Para masulit natin yung buffet. dito mag-fish tayo paminsan lang. Galam. Mabuti yung mag-fish lang tayo paminsan.
Tama.
Ang isang bento box, parang $35.
Dapat pala talaga dahil gumandun kami Airbnb para makaluto kami.
Hello guys, so we just finished eating. We are currently at Starbucks.
Di pa rin kasha. Kasi kapalan ng maleta.
I'm gonna order the Hello Kitty thing. For sure. That one.
Our goal in life is to try every Starbucks in all countries.
Hindi nga tayo naka-Starbucks sa Hong Kong.
Yeah, that's because you're a loser.
Stop na. Almost po.
So we've ordered at Starbucks. They have a specialty Hello Kitty drink
It's a collaboration.
with Hello Kitty. It's called Hello Apple. We ordered Hello Apple frozen tea for bread, and it's buy one get one free. We'll see if it's good.
Even if it's not good, at least we got a free drink.
Oh, that's not ours. Let's move. Ah, chocolate cream chip. That's Deagle's. Be, hindi ko naintindihan yung sinabi niya. Hindi ko alam kung amin yun, be. Ang bilis niya, parang tapos umalis na siya. Starbucks kids. Laking Starbucks.
So yung akin. Ito, ano sa ano pa?
May pangalan yan eh. May pangalan. Here's our sponsor. Thank you so much for our sponsor for this Bangkok trip and for all of this. Thank you so much to our sponsor. This vlog is brought to you by Mother Earth.
No,
Sponsored.
brought to you by
This
Odette
vlog is
Skincare.
sponsored by Mother Earth.
Dapat na that skincare na.
This vlog is sponsored by Odette Skincare.
Ah, yeah.
Hindi pa nag-launch. Nag-sponsor na.
Brought to you
Hala.
by Odette.
Is this ours?
Yes.
All of it? Ah. Yeah, okay. White mocha?
Wait mo ka magagawa.
Yogurt, ito ata ang iyo. Brown sugar, non-fat milk, flat white. Ah, yan pala. Madam ka pala. Madam. Madam.
Is the blue edible?
Yeah, I think that's chocolate. Pink chocolate. White, I don't know.
Yours looks nice. That's yours, diba?
Yours pa, Brent.
Oh,
Ayan mo na yung straw.
tingnan mo yung tatay namin, binilhan namin. What's the reaction? Ang putang inang yan.
Kasi baka mami, strawberry na naman yan.
Reenactment. Oh, daddy, binilhan ka namin.
Ah?
Yung reaction mo kanina, ulit.
Ano ba yung strawberry? Putangin lang yun. Masasakit na naman ang tiyan mo dyan.
Walang utang na loob.
Huwag na, kaya mo na lang.
Okay lang yan.
Put kanina yung sa iwan niya.
Okay, so now we're going shopping for the boys.
We're here at the men's section at 4th floor.
Yeah.
Earlier we were at 3rd floor, the ladies section.
Yeah.
And the men's section are more expensive.
Mm-hmm. We don't know why.
And I think they're scamming us because they know we're tourists. There's like 2 different staff in the same store and they're giving us different prices. Like, what the? Like, dude. Come on.
Scam.
They're giving us prices like same as or more expensive than Uniqlo and H&M. And like, what's the point?
Exactly.
The point is there's no point.
Period, queen. Ate Darl! Whoop, whoop, oh.
I don't know.
Oh, yan yung ano ng North Korea.
Talaga ba?
Yeah, why do they have that?
What size is that?
So we're still at the men's shopping.
Hindi marunong si Kuya Miguel.
Ta-da! Turn around, 360. Kuya Miguel, 360.
Tama sa akin.
Wow!
Turn.
Wait, 3. Look at my ugly brother.
Get out! Get out! Show the camera! Show!
Ta-da!
Oh, digal naman, digal.
Huh?
Oh, no, have S, M, L.
M or L lang. Okay na.
Looney Tunes.
Ano sa iyo lang? Siyempre, hindi pang disente. Ano ba yan, love?
Microwave edit.
Wait. I'll do it closer.
Alam mo yung trending na yung
Wait.
microwave edit?
Yan. Go.
Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ay, baliktad. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Hindi kasi mahilig ang
Yung
daddy
bag
mo.
ko, yung bag ko.
Hindi kasi mahilig ang daddy mo ng maluwag. Sure,
Hey guys, the pretty sisters.
Look at my fan. It's very, very useful.
Should we
Feels so
sponsor?
fresh.
Should we ask to be sponsored?
Jisoo Life, please sponsor us.
Yeah. And then our ugly brother.
Para maginaw.
Ew!
So, mission failed.
Ay, ikaw yung ano natin doon.
Bren.
Si Bren!
Ice cream.
Mission failed. Haggle mission failed.
Gago ka, Darla. Vlog ko ba yung mga napapahiya ka?
Mission failed.
1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Where's mine? Where's my mine? 5,000. Thank you.
Wala na.
Wala nang space. No space for new messages. Uy, ang ganda naman ng lalagyan. The bags are nice.
Table lang ha, mga table.
Ay, gusto ko.
Ay, walang tao.
It's so
Wala, wag
cute.
na. Wala.
Ay.
Budget doon. Tapos puro walang tao na ayaw mag-rent.
Lunch break.
Kaming dalawa.
Upo na yung mga matatanda. The elderlies have sat down. Okay, I'll leave this to you guys. We're gonna... Come on, Bren, let's do more shopping. Bonbon. Ay, ako, yun na lang may bonbon. Okay.
Why?
May bonbon. Bunny. This is my bonbon.
Ay, meron din dyan, oh. Baka mas mura. Oo. Bren, get the one.
Sisi pa tayo.
Wag na, wag mo na ito.
Hala, Donald Duck.
Mami, oh.
Ang ganda pa naman, oh, black.
Hayaan mo na, mami.
Kainis. Tsaka bakit ba?
I-swap mo. Sabi mo kaya na i-swap. Cute.
Ayan.
Dami. Ito pa again. Ayan. Dami dyan. Oy, ba't mo? Huwag mo na.
Bring your bag. Oh, the fan. The fan. Bigat ng bag mo. Okay na ba yan? Kasha na ba yan? Pag pinagkasya-kasya.
Sabi nga.
Para pag sinakay natin sa van, mabilis na lang. And one more.
We're gonna take a grab home and we're gonna see you guys later.
Wow.
Alam mo, hindi natin kung malalaman dahil ano siya, kailangan.
Wala
Oh,
siya.
siya the ear.
Dito pa rin sa likod dun, no? Kung saan tayo binaba.
San.
Oh, dyan tayo binaba.
So pretty. So fluffy.
Ate, you're such
On our way back to the hotel.
Bigay sila pag binibigay.
We're just gonna...
Ano
We're
bibigay?
just gonna
Or may
put down
nagto-traffic doon?
everything.
Wala.
Just gonna put everything back in the hotel. And then we're gonna go to Prato now for more shopping.
Dapat ganyan sa Pilipinas.
Wala. Sakit.
Pwede, saglit na pa yung natin. Sandali lang tayo dito eh.
So, pagkatapos ibaba, lakad na. Pahinga nga muna.
Magkakatamaran kasi pag nagpahingi. May dumigay na naman. Ano pa sa akin tumitig? Uy, na kay mommy ata yung t-shirt ko. Magti-t-shirt na lang ako.
Wait pa. O yung ano niya,